Oy, mag-lunch din, ay, mag-tea-time ito din alaga ko, ito, sweet potato, na. Oy, yan, ganyan siya. Mahal ang pagkain niya to, aso. Ito, oh. Kung kain din, dito ka, para makita ka din. Hindi ka, oh. Dito, yan, potato chip. Ay, potato chip. Sweet potato. Ano ang tawag doon sa ano? Sa amin to parang hindi ko nakalimutan ko pangalan to. Basta sweet potato. Ano ang Tagalog to? Nakalimutan ko. Ang init na yan. Sorry guys. No more? Stay half? Stay half? Huh? Yeah, stay one? You non-stop your mouth. So that's why sometimes your tummy pain. Wet poo-poo. Because non-stop your mouth. Pag nagluluto ka na yan, humihingi ng pagkain. Non-stop his mouth. Is it? You non-stop your mouth? So that's why when you poo-poo, very big your poo-poo. Ano na siya, 1 year and 6 months. Pero ang laki niya. Oh, last one. Yung last one. Last one. No more Last one na. Okay, no more. No more. No more. No more. Mommy said it's stuck in the costume your tea time. Enough because you eat banana already just now. And then, yeah, on the floor. You pick it up on the floor. Okay? Finish? No more. You see? Empty. Your plate empty. Oh. Oh. Already empty. No more. Lumayas na. Yan o. Lumayas na kasi wala ng pagkain. Mahilig kasi kumain yan. No, no more. What are you doing there? Tingting, what are you doing? You want again? No more. Kinain ko yung balahibo niya. Oh, lalabas na. Lalabas na siya. Saan ka na? Oh, pupunta na yan sa aircon. Naka-on kasi yung naka-on kasi yung aircon doon sa kwarto yung alaga ko kaya dyan. Kinain ko tuloy yung yung balahibo niya. Pero hindi kong kinakain yung balahibo niya kasi ang dami. Oh, bakit bumalik ka? Why you come back? Do you think he still have food? Oh, you give me the toys? Okay, give me. Give me. Okay, give me the toys. Okay. Oh. You want to play? Want to play? Huh? Want to play? What? You want to play? You want to play with me? Why you look at me? Oh. Okay, go. Go and get it. Okay, go and get it. Okay, give it to me. Give it to me. Take. Give it to me. Give me. Bima, you didn't like. How can I play with you if you don't drop it? You can drop the bowl. Okay, give me. Binibigyan niya pero hindi naman marunong Yan, give me You drop it. You drop and I throw away. Hoy! Oh, chao ah. You are smelly. Ting Ting is smelly. Ting Ting is smelly. Give it to me. I don't want to pick it up. Pick it up! Kinain ko yung balahibo niya. Dali lang. You want? Say hello to them, ha? Say hello, tissue嚟㗎.你成日都食嘢㗎嘛？你成日都食嘢㗎？嚇？你成日都食嘢㗎？夠啦！成日都食嘢㗎嘛？Say bye-bye to them. Bye-bye ah? Give me. Give me ah? Ay, ito kinagat niya ako noong minsan to eh. Okay, bye-bye guys. Na bye-bye, Ting Ting. Ting Ting, bye-bye ah. Bye-bye. Yan o, naglalaro. Bye-bye ah. Bye-bye guys.